Welcome back. Today we're tackling a critical topic for seniors' muscle loss or sarcopenia, and the one food that can make all the difference. This isn't medical advice, always check with your doctor before making changes. In this video, you'll discover the #1 food clinically proven to fight muscle loss, plus 9 other powerful muscle-preserving foods. We'll break down the science and give you practical tips to easily add these foods to your daily meals. Ready to protect your strength and independence? Let's dive in. Let's get into it. First up, lean beef, a muscle-building powerhouse. It's loaded with complete protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all essential for muscle repair and energy. Choose lean cuts like sirloin or 90/10ths ground beef, and keep portions moderate. A deck of cards size is plenty. Grill, stir-fry, or add to stews for a simple protein boost. Lean beef gives your muscles the raw materials they need to stay strong. Next, whey protein, a convenient way for seniors to hit daily protein goals. It's rapidly absorbed, rich in leucine, and perfect after activity, or when meals are tough to prepare. Mix a scoop into water, yogurt, or oatmeal, or add to pancakes for a protein-packed meal. Whey is versatile, easy, and helps keep your muscles fueled every day. It's a simple strategy to fight age-related muscle loss. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines deliver protein and omega-3s, which fight inflammation and boost muscle response to exercise. Aim for 2 to 3 servings a week. Bake, grill, or add canned fish to salads. Not a fish fan? Ask your doctor about fish oil supplements. These healthy fats make your muscles more efficient at using protein. Fatty fish are a must for muscle preservation. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia, flax, offer plant protein, healthy fats, and fiber. They're calorie-dense, help prevent muscle breakdown, and are easy to snack on or add to meals. Sprinkle on oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or enjoy nut butter on toast. Just watch portions. They pack a nutritional punch in small amounts. Small but mighty for muscle health. Beans and legumes like lentils and chickpeas are top plant-based protein sources. Pair with whole grains for complete protein, plus you get fiber for gut health and steady energy. Add to salads, soups, or make a hearty bean chili. They're budget-friendly, versatile, and support both muscle and digestive health. Beans are a staple for plant-powered strength. Eggs are nature's multivitamin. High-quality protein, healthy fats, and key nutrients like choline and vitamin D. Eat the whole egg for maximum benefit. The yolk is packed with muscle-supporting nutrients. Scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet, eggs are quick, affordable, and versatile. Perfect for any meal or snack. Eggs are a top-tier food for muscle maintenance. Extra virgin olive oil isn't just a healthy fat, it's anti-inflammatory, protecting muscles from breakdown. Drizzle over salads, veggies, or cooked dishes to boost nutrient absorption and fight inflammation. Choose extra virgin for the most antioxidants. It's a simple way to support muscle health every day. Olive oil is liquid gold for your muscles. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, are loaded with antioxidants that reduce muscle soreness and speed recovery. Add to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for a sweet, muscle-friendly boost. Frozen berries are just as nutritious and cost-effective. Better recovery means better consistency with exercise. Berries help keep you active and strong. Leafy greens like spinach and kale provide magnesium, potassium, and vitamins C and K, crucial for muscle function and repair. Add to eggs, salads, or sauté as a side. Just 1 to 2 servings a day makes a difference. Greens also contain nitrates that improve muscle efficiency. Make them a daily habit for foundational muscle support. Greens are the unsung heroes of muscle health. The #1 food for senior muscle health? Greek yogurt. It's packed with high-quality protein, both fast and slow digesting, and probiotics for gut health. Studies show it can inhibit muscle wasting in 90% of seniors in just 6 weeks. Enjoy plain Greek yogurt with berries and nuts for a muscle-building super meal. Convenient, delicious, and science-backed. Greek yogurt is the ultimate muscle-preserving food. There you have it, the top 10 foods to fight muscle loss and stay strong as you age. Start small, swap in Greek yogurt, add leafy greens, or try a new protein source this week. Consistency is key. These simple changes add up over time. Your future self will thank you for investing in your health today. If you found this helpful, like, share, and comment below with which food you'll try first. Stay active, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Your journey to stronger muscles starts now.